Hello everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to link your Visa gift card to your PayPal account. So let's get started. First off, we'll go to our web browser. We'll search for PayPal. Okay. So we are on our PayPal dashboard. So we can see here at the topmost section of our PayPal, we can see Home, Send, Wallet, Activity, and Help. So we'll click on Wallet and it will show us where to link a new card. So here we can link our Visa gift card. So we'll click on Link Card. And this is going to take us to a new page where it shows us debit or credit card number, select your card type, expiration date of your card, security code. Now the security code are the three last digits at the back of your card, and billing address, and then link. So we're going to select our card type now. Our card type is Visa. So there are other options: MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. So we're selecting Visa. Then we're going to put in all those other details and click on Link Card. And once we click on Link Card, our Visa gift card will be linked to our PayPal account, and then we can send money to our PayPal account from the Visa gift card. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our YouTube page. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.